Hello friends, we are back again. Today we are preparing special moi moi. Here are the things we are going to use. I have container here. You can use this container or you can use a plate or anything of your choice. I have some fish. I have maggi. I have crayfish. I have eggs. I have sweet pork pepper, onions 4, tomatoes 4, 3 hot peppers. I have salt. I have oil. This is the beans we are going to use. I have washed the beans. If you want to know how I wash the beans, check the link on the description. Very simple and easy. I'm using this seasoner to season my fish, and I will put it in air fryer. I have a little salt. Little oil. Now wash the sweet pepper, the tomatoes, and the onions. Blend the tomato, the sweet pepper, and the onion. Add a little water. I'm going to add the red sweet pepper and onions and tomatoes. Now blend the beans. Blend the rest and mix them. Now we are finished blending. Add your oil and salt and mix them. mix very well. Our fish is done. Spread it so that it will be easier to be removed. Then put the moi moi in your container. Add our fish. Make sure the bone is removed. Cover them. Place them together. Make sure that they are properly covered. We are done is to cook them. I've added water inside the pot, so add this under the pot. Put the moi moi inside the pot. Now cover them, leave for 40 to 45 minutes. Now let's check our moi moi. It should be ready by now. Okay, the This one is okay. All of them are ready. So we are done. You can see how beautiful they are looking. So let's remove it. You can see it's very easy to be removed. I've removed it from the container. Now let's test it. Very delicious. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Do me a favor, your sister. So watch out for the next video. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.